So there's a little tooth right here in this gear. And when you spin the hub, the centrifugal force puts the tooth out and it grips the inside of this gear and engages the flywheel. There's a lot of grease in that hub, and that grease is cold, and so sometimes the tooth isn't coming out and engaging properly. I think warming it up is helping it work a little better, but it's still got problems. Let's see if that helped. Yeah, that's working. So I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. We're gonna try to turn it into a knife. Oh, I need to sit down. This is gonna be a while. You know, there's a common myth amongst metalworkers that files should only be used in one direction. Turns out that's not true. Works a whole lot better if you do it in both directions. Like the look of that. There you go, one hole drawn. Now it's time to harden it. Whoa. When you get high carbon steel glowing hot and then cool it down suddenly, it becomes harder. So after you quench the knife in the snow, you test it with a file to see if it's the right hardness. I like it. I think it'll work just fine. Now we sand. There we go. The knife and sheath.